Hey everybody, Aaron here. I thought I was done for the year, but I had one more in me. I got a little Scout ukulele done just in time for the holidays. This is a little soprano scale instrument, and it's just made of shop scraps. It's all fir and walnut. And yeah, I love the sound of fir tops. They always sound great. Got a little star in the headstock there. Yeah, and sometimes I talk about firs having a little bit of a dusty sound, and this one hits the mark, and I like that sound. So, yeah, this is number 656. It's going to be somebody's holiday present to themselves, I guess. Cheers.